What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on our Deagostini Godzilla RC build, kit number 29. So let's take a look at the contents, get started building. Alright, so here we have our... Alright, so here is our Godzilla Chronicle and instructions. So we have this Chronicle, more behind the scenes footage. Very cool. Alright, we've got old posters for Monster Zero. Here we go. Gojira. Some Godzilla versus Hedra action. And then we have our instructions. Alright, so here are the parts we're going to be using today. And these little bits here are going to go on the end of the tail, I believe, and this is going to be the part of the tail that actually will wag. So let's start our build. Alright, so we have our pieces lined up by size order. So this side goes here, this side with the little bar that connects the pieces. And then the other side goes on the opposite side, of course. And what we want to do is connect them with the supplied 8mm screws. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so number 1 should clamp into place like this, yes. Alright, that's good. We're gonna go ahead and start the screws now. Same thing with set 2. And lastly, number 3. And now it should go like this. Alright, we have a swing tail. Very cool. So that is it for this week's kit. I think with this added piece here, we're going to continue lengthening the tail a little bit more, maybe just one more piece. But yeah, that's what the tail will swing like such. Very cool. Alright, until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you for kit number 30. Bye.